Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Bracknell Estate in Kingston 6 is a complex that is one of a kind. Thanks to its spacious layout and wonderful views of Kingston, this 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom townhouse is laid out over 3 levels, with the basement level spanning the width of the house and is big enough to accommodate 2 extra bedrooms. The top floor of the house has the 4 main bedrooms, lined with wood floors, and all bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms. There is a wonderful balcony of the primary bedroom. The primary closet and bathroom are large and have a lot of storage. The main floor of the house has an interior courtyard, which allows for a lot of light throughout the house. The kitchen, a family room, and the living, dining room, and spacious veranda are all on this level. The complex has 24-hour security and a pool. This is an exquisite property. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US $3,700 or Jamaican $569,400 per month. To rent this townhouse, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.